Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this tutorial today I'm going to show you the PC controls for Blox Fruits. Now, how to move is actually very basic. You use WASD to move around, and to move your camera you use your right mouse button to hold it, and then you can move the camera angle. Now from there you can simply follow the character, and to zoom in and out you can do it with your scroll wheel, and to enter first person scroll all the way in, and then you can use first person. Now how to actually dash is by pressing Q, then you can dash, as you can see. Now how you jump is by actually pressing the spacebar, and to double jump you simply press it twice and then you can dash. Now for the combat of this game it's also very easy. What you will do is to switch weapons you can actually use the 1, 2, 3 mouse button. Now as you can see I don't have any other weapons, so I'm not able to use that. And how to fight is actually very simple. You pick a character to fight and then you use the left mouse button to push. And from there you can actually push, as you can see. Now to use some special abilities of your weapon you can use Y, X and C, sorry, Z, X and C, and as you can see here I used it. Now that's everything you need to know. If you still get any questions regarding this tutorial, please leave it in the comments down below and I'll try my very best to help you. And if this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.